Using the techniques and products that we have available today, we're able to do a lot without having to resort to any kind of surgical procedure. For instance, one of the main things that happens that shows aging is loss of volume from the face, or loss of fat. So one of the products we use replaces that lost volume, and we can do basically what a facelift can do, but very naturally in a half hour, and you walk out and go back to your normal daily life. The products we use are predominantly something called hyaluronic acid fillers. Now, that's a sugar gel, and the hyaluronic acid is something we have naturally occurring in our body. It's in our skin and our joints, and our body uses that to hold hydration in our tissues. So these products are a synthetic copy of that hyaluronic acid we have in our body. And so we're using those products to draw in and hold water in our tissues and rehydrate them, basically. In that way, we can replace lost volume. So using these products, we can change the face of the shape quite dramatically in some cases if we want to. For instance, the jawline, often people have very large muscles on the sides of their jaw, which gives them a very square-shaped face. So something we can do is actually use Botox to relax those jaw muscles and actually shrink them and slim the jawline, giving them more of a heart-shaped face, which is what we want for most people. The other thing we can do is actually use the fillers to contour and give nice, straight, even lines and give a very natural looking jawline. In other ways, we can, by using the correct proportions, we can increase the size of the width of their cheeks, which also has the effect of looking the lower face look narrower. If someone has a dimpled chin, we can soften and smooth that. If it's a recessed chin, we can make it a little bit more prominent. If they've got a very pointy chin, we can smooth it by using the dermal fillers around it to really contour the jaw. Using my advanced techniques and the dermal fillers, we can create fantastic results with nose reshaping. For example, if someone has a lump or a bump, we can really smooth that out and decrease the appearance of that lump a lot. If someone has any asymmetries, we can correct those. Or if someone doesn't have a very prominent bridge, we can build that up and give them that bridge they may never have. For men, we can do a lot of amazing things using dermal fillers. We can, for example, help increase the angle of the jaw, giving them a very chiseled, strong, masculine jawline, help give them a nice, strong chin if they don't have a strong chin, and as well as giving them nice, chiseled, high cheekbones as well, which is an important structure for men as well. When someone has their lips done, it can depend on which product we use. If someone wants a very soft, natural feeling lip, we can use a very soft filler. It doesn't quite last as long, it lasts between 10 and 12 months. If we use a little bit more of a firm filler, then it can last a bit longer, up to 15 months. In terms of maintaining that treatment, generally at the halfway mark you'd come back for a review and possibly a little bit of a top-up. So in the same way that the Botox can stop the nerve from telling muscles to contract, the Botox can also stop the nerve from telling the sweat glands to activate. So by treating areas that have excessive sweating, we can reduce that sweating by up to 90% for up to 9 months. It's fantastic, very effective treatment. And lots of people who have had the inability to wear anything other than black suddenly can now wear any clothes they want to, which is fantastic. A lot of people suffer from what we call a gummy smile, where when they smile, a lot of their gum is exposed. We can actually help reduce that as well. Just by simply relaxing some of the muscles that are holding the lip up, we can help to drop it very slightly and hide that gum in your smile so you're no longer embarrassed to show off your biggest grin. A lot of people suffer from grinding their teeth or clenching their jaw, especially at night time, and that can lead to damaged teeth, but also waking up with a sore jaw or headaches even. And lots of people don't realise that we can offer a treatment to completely stop that. It involves a few little injections into the jaw muscles, and we can relax it to the point where you have no clenching at all.